guys, welcome to Adventures with Edna. It's early, like 5:45 early. Today is going to be a little bit different video than normal. Today we're going to be making a 6-hour trek to get Edna a new transmission. Well, new to me at least. Some of you guys may know from previous videos that Edna's transmission is on the way out, and she needs a replacement. The one that she has is in really bad shape, and luckily I was able to find one that's a little far away, but today we're going to go pick that up. You may have also noticed in some of the videos you can hear the engine making, or the transmission making noises and groaning. So today she's going to be sitting this one out, so it's more of a mission for Edna than with Edna. I would like to have made the drive with her, but unfortunately she's not going to make it, obviously because of her transmission. So today we're going to head out and get that, and as an added bonus we're going to get to meet one of Edna's older siblings. So we're going to go ahead and get on the road so that we don't have to get back before midnight tonight. So enjoy. Alright, so we're 3 hours into this drive now. We just passed Knoxville, Tennessee. So we are halfway there. So we'll get some gas, get back on the road. So here's the new transmission, 3-speed floor shifter. Didn't have to open it up when we got there. He had already sent me a really good video of the inside with the gears. It spins over really well. So for the most part it's just going to be some cleanup on the outside. Going to replace the synchronizers, the gaskets, and the seals in it before I put it in the truck, and get a new clutch and throwout bearing and everything, so that will be all nice and stable. But this is pretty much it. He did have some interesting cars here, so I'll go ahead and play the highlights of what we got to see.
The shows when I get it done.
Yeah. And you said it's a 260? No, wait, what did you say it was?
The V8 60?
Yeah.
It is it's a 60 horsepower flathead made 1939.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really neat. Speedway did a little video explaining it.
Oh, did
I watched it on YouTube not long ago. It was pretty cool.
Well, that's the only one I've ever messed with, and it's on. There's nothing about it that crosses with the 239 like you and I got.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah, it's small.
Absolutely nothing interchanges. Except I think the throwout really rusty. Thank God for calculators.
Yeah, I took one of these apart back years ago, and once you get it apart, you kind of wish you hadn't taken it apart, and you just want to put it back together.
Well, that originally was a 1100 Yamaha. That's the engine over there.
Oh, yeah.
2007 model. And the guy bent a valve in the end, I think it was. Anyway, I went all the way up to Ashland, Ohio and got it.
Wow.
But it's just like I bought it. I've done nothing other than changing carburetors. It had that junky 4-barrel on it. Those 2 deuces are for my run stand.
Yeah.
Which is right here. This Hemi's on right now. So I put those on there just to tune and play.
Yeah.
But that thing has got a perfect body on it.
Yeah, it looks great.
Well, it was totally restored back in like 1980, and it's sitting in the garage for like 30 years.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really cool. It
does start and run, just not well. It's still got the original dust on it I bought it with. But here's the one that really gets people's attention when I go somewhere. This is why this has got a cover on it. Get my little thingy off here. Here's the one that people like to look at and try to buy all the time. Here's my 5-year project here.
Man, that's a good looking car there.
Oh, Matt, where you look in the door if you want to. It's got the wooden bed too, but that gives you an idea. But that's a 392 Hemi in there.
Okay.
Same thing as on that stand there.
Yeah.
But that's my crowd pleaser, I guess you call it.
Yeah.
You can throw that back and look in the door if you want to.
Yeah, that's...
He said it passes everything but the filling station. It's got 2 4-barrels on it and all that good stuff.
Wow,
that's another Hemi. Both these Hemis run. I've got them running good.
Yeah. Is it okay if I open the door?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sure, go ahead. I got no problem with it.
Oh man, that is nice.
Yeah, all the custom interior. Oh, I got that problem. That's where my battery box is. That back here behind the seat.
Yeah.
There you go. Give you a better look at it. But here's what. Yeah, I don't know why, but this gets more attention than any part of it. See what?
Oh yeah.
See what it says under there. People love that. I don't know why.
Yeah, I always call mine the AC.
People
open
just
the AC
absolutely love that when they see that. That gets more pictures than any part of the truck, believe it or not. But these are the commercial 1932 headlights.
Yeah.
They're kind of hard to get a hold of.
Yeah, they look larger.
They are. They came on the big trucks back then. But it's all hot rod all the way through. It's got custom transmission, rear end, the whole 9 yards in there.
Yeah.
Like I said, she's a fast truck, but I don't want to drive it fast. So just redo the 350 and put it back in there. I'm not sure.
What year did you say this one is again?
This is a 36.
36.
Mm-hmm. This is a 32. The one upstairs is a 46, and the motorcycle is a combo. Now this has still got the original banjo and the transmission in it too.
Oh, does it?
It's got the 39 transmission in it. Which everybody wants this 39, and I don't understand because the one you're getting today is as good a transmission as that 39.
Yeah.
But all the hot rodders want the 39. I've seen those two things sell for as high as $1,500. People are crazy on that. But I mean, this is an awesome truck here.
Yeah, it looks great.
But it's got too much money in it already. But did you ever come out on?
You always have too much money in them.
Yeah, I reckon. These sides came on it. I never did take them off. But
Yeah, they look pretty cool. I like it.
I probably shouldn't have done it. He had wire.
Yeah, it's a nice looking truck.
Yeah. I put the wide meats on the back because, like I said, for better traction and stuff. But
Oh, yeah.
I put a 5-speed out of that S10.
Yeah.
Because you still got a pretty low first gear if you want to, just chug around on the farm with it.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty happy with it. If I redid anything, I might go with just a little bit higher ratio rear end for a little bit more speed.
Yeah.
Because after 70, it starts straining the engine a little bit, I think. But then again, I don't know if I got enough horsepower to take a bigger one. And then I put a lot of hours in that old bird. But I did all that before I started on any of that other stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was shocked when I went to town to actually license it and stuff. They only put a $50.
So we got an Edna new transmission. Got to see some cool old trucks. Stopped and got some lunch. Now we're back on the highway with a few more hours to go until we make it back home. Alright, so finally made it back home safe and sound with the new transmission. The total trip took a little over 14 hours. It was 6 hours out, 6 hours back. We were at this guy's house for just over an hour since he had the cool trucks to show us and a few other things. Then stop off for lunch on the way back, plus, you know, pit stops. But all in all, the trip was actually pretty good. We're going to be getting started on getting this ready to go into the truck in the coming weeks. Going to go through and do new gaskets, clean it up, repaint it, replace the synchronizers and the bearings if necessary. So it's going to be a decent little project on its own. So if you guys want to see those videos in the future, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified as the new videos come available. Anyway, thank you for watching Adventures with Edna. Chance will be back next week, and we'll see you in the next one.